Guys, it's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we'll be taking a good look at Bitcoin. Now, you could see right here that in my previous video, I made it known to us that there is every possibility for Bitcoin itself to, go this high, then find support around here before going to the upside. I made that known to us. You can go check my previous video where I made it known to us that there's every possibility that Bitcoin will, find support here and, drop and rally much higher. So now the question right now is, okay, will this play out for long? Like, are we going to keep on consolidating around this level for long? And with the look of things, if we should go to this other chart right here, I think we could see some bull flag pattern being formed. We could see some bull flag pattern being formed, and by looking at it from here, I think if I go to the 1 hour time frame, we can see the bull flag pattern forming, I think around here, as you could see. And yeah, the supports, I think the support should be somewhere here. Okay, let's just say something like this for the supports. Okay, and this is the pole. Now we could see right here that this is kind of the pattern. I would still come back to the previous chart. Now we could see definitely like this is what we are getting right here. So in as much as we are still in this flag channel right here, there's every possibility that maybe today we might drop all the way down to 106,400. Then maybe we break out around here, which will not give us a better chance of rallying to the upside and hopefully breaking this resistance right here. I will show you this resistance right here as soon as I'm done with this. So if I should clone this right here, you could see that there's every possibility for us to go as high as $110,000 on the dot. So we should definitely keep our eyes open for this breakout, guys. So now on the daily on this chart, before I go back to the previous one, we could see right here that we are kind of consolidating. We are kind of consolidating within this range right here. If you watch my previous video, you understand what I mean. You could see that we are kind of consolidating. There is a very less chance that we're going to break out from here around this moment. We need to drop all the way down, maybe finish the consolidation of this triangle in like probably 70% before we are able to break out and rally much to the upside. So for now, I wouldn't say that a breakout is possible. Yes, we could rally as high as probably $108,000 or $109,000, but I don't see us breaking above this resistance right here. As we can see, this trend line, I don't see us doing that. And in as much as we've not gone below 101,317 or 100,600, I don't think there's any chance of us dropping all the way down to $92,000 or $93,000. So if we go to the previous charts where I am, if I come back to the 4 hours time frame, we could see right here that we are also regardless of us knowing that this is a bull flag pattern, if we should consider this as just a support and resistance kind of move, we will realize that first things foremost, we have established the fact that we are retesting this support right here at 106,500, and because of we have kind of tested this particular range, there's every possibility that we could rally much higher from here, because as you can see right here, we went this high, then we found support around this area at 107,000. Now there's every possibility that we could rally much higher. So when we are able to break above this resistance at 109,300, I will definitely be here to probably make a video telling you guys what we should be expecting from that. But for now, maybe there's every possibility that we could even drop down lower to find support around this level right here, because as you can see, we kind of broke this resistance right here. As you can see, this white triangle right here, you can see that we kind of broke this resistance right here. So there's a possibility that we could drop this low as $105,000 or $6,000 before moving to the top side. So we should definitely have this in mind too. So yeah, that's just it for Bitcoin. I think for me to add something else to this technical analysis, you have to give me a sec. So back to the news, we could see right here that just in Crypto Caesar David Sachs says July will be a big month. And for us to check facts about if July are always a very if July is a month for massive gains, I would say we'll still come back to whatever news that is here. For Crypto Caesar David Sachs saying that July will be a big month, let us find out. So now this is Bitcoin's quarterly return, and we could see that we are heading into Q3. And based on previous analysis, previous data, we could see that July are always growing too, mostly green, but also mostly red too. But if you look at it, if you look at the red months in Q3, okay, let's just say this is Q3, but if we should look at it from monthly, I think that is going to be this. Now if you look at it right now, we're heading to the month of July. Now last year Bitcoin was up to roughly 3%. Last 2 years it was minus 4%, it was down 4%. 3 years it was 3 years ago it was 16.8%. And if you've also noticed, in the previous years June has always been red. If you've noticed, just take a Google look at this: minus 37%, minus 5.9%, minus 3%, minus 14%. Though they are greens, but in the month of July, I think they are mostly greens, because if you've noticed, if you can count the red, you can only count 1, 2, 3, 4 reds in the month of July. White greens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 greens. So there's every possibility that the July will definitely be a very good month for Bitcoin and for cryptocurrency. So we should definitely keep this thing in that. So we should definitely, have that at the back of our mind, that next month there is a high chance of next month to be very bullish, guys. And also regarding the fact that there is some form of de-escalation coming in regarding to the Israel and the Iran war. So there is some form of de-escalation coming in. So in as much as we're expecting this de-escalation, there's every possibility that next month will definitely be bullish for altcoins and Bitcoin most especially. Thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.